Hello, my name is Louise Leader.
Hello, I'm Remy Reuse.
Our project is finished.
So let's archive the research data.
What does archiving mean?
Archiving or preservation means a secure storage of data over a long period of time and in an understandable and usable way. Archiving is more than storing with backup.
Why?
Because archiving includes several important aspects. First, there's selection. This means cleaning up the data and extracting and preserving only what's relevant. Then, there's bitstream preservation, which protects the data from loss or manipulation. But that's not all. We also have to ensure that the data remains technically usable. That can mean a migration to sustainable formats, or even an emulation of the computer system if necessary. And to make sure the data stays intellectually usable and easy to find, we need proper documentation, descriptive metadata, and persistent identifiers.
How can I archive research data at RWTH?
Use Coscine, the collaborative scientific integration environment.
Coscine is the RWTH platform for research data management. With Coscine, you can organize, store, collaborate on, and archive your data.
Just one system for everything, and it is part of the university's infrastructure.
Archiving via Coscine offers to you not only free secure storage, but also annotation with metadata already during the research process. Each storage unit gets a persistent identifier, and once the data is marked as archived, it's protected against further manipulation.
And which data should actually be archived?
Basically, all data that substantiate your scientific findings or enable subsequent research should be archived. As part of the good research practice, your data should usually be archived for 10 years. Of course, it's a cost-benefit consideration, but there are many good reasons to archive your data. It might be reused in future projects. It has a high relevance for our research field, and there's likely future demand. The data is unique or was expensive or time-consuming to collect. Or the data is of high quality, meaning, for example, it's well documented and ready for reuse. And don't forget to check the possibility of a data publication in accordance to the FAIR principles. The goal should always be as open as possible, as closed as necessary when handling research data.
Luckily, with Coscine, RWTH offers us a suitable infrastructure for archiving research data. We can store our data securely and ensure that it stays findable.
Exactly. And as researchers, it's our responsibility to select relevant data, use long-lasting data formats, document everything clearly, add useful metadata, and reference data via persistent identifier. In general, we should always pay attention to the following. Our data must be understandable, and it should be reusable.